Yeah.
So it's a little bit cloudy today, but who cares? Me and one of the boys, we're gonna go to the bridge and we're gonna try death dive, extreme death dive. So this is gonna be my swimming shoes. It's not really for swimming shoes, but it's kind of like all fucked up. I can still use it as a swimming shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna jump into the water with this. Yo, what's going on, Dawson?
We just pulled up to the Red Bridge and we're gonna do some
What's
crazy.
up, guys?
Who's that?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, no, let's go to the bridge.
Okay.
That's a nice phone right there you got, bro.
Oh, thank you.
2010?
No, like 1980, bro. What's up, Luke? Soccer at our school is pretty light. He just does it because it's fun.
Is it like private school? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, it's private school?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Why you guys go to private school? What do they teach? What is the difference between like public school and private school?
We
like
we read a lot more books, and we have like you know like arguments. We have like arguments with our classmates.
We like discuss
Yeah.
things. And
Well, they
Does it cost money to go to private school?
yeah, it's
Oh,
a lot.
shit.
it's a lot of money.
Damn.
I'm not paying for it though.
That's good, that's good. Once again, welcome back to this bridge again for my 2000th time. The sun is gone today. It's gonna be really chilly. The sun is not here. It went to the other planet.
Oh, it smells very good.
Smells great, I bet.
You're gonna start off what?
720 death dive.
720.
Yeah.
Fill from right there, you will get a better shot because that thing is gonna block the way. Yeah, fill from right there. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. What? Straight up.
I was saying.
Are you going next or me? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I guess.
Yup.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go, dude.
Yo, that was so fun.
Think you can do 3 claps off the top?
3 claps, yeah.
Okay, Dawson. I don't know.
Up to you, anything.
This, yeah. Let's go, Dawson.
You good?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh, it's cold. I didn't punch
Your nose
it.
is bleeding.
I slapped it. Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's fine. Oh, I'm in the water. Instead of going like this, instead of going like this, I went like this.
Yeah.
It slapped my blister.
Oh, the water's not even deep right here.
Yeah.
It's too shallow. Oh.
Yes, sir. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh, that's insane.
Bro, I think you can do double. Your technique is perfect.
Yeah.
You done double gainer?
No, I haven't.
You should.
That would be.
I haven't done double gainer like for ages. I used to do it right here.
You
double
good?
gainer.
Yeah.
I used to do it like a couple years ago. I just don't have the muscle memory anymore.
It's pretty cold. It feels good though, because after that intense parkour session, my body is really sore, so it feels good on the muscles.
Yep. My body's not sore, but my body's really cold. Gosh. Bro, you got this, bro.
You have to check this bridge out. This is absolutely sick. Look, come over here, and oh my goodness, sorry. Oh, what is that guy doing?
Bro, that's funny. That's funny.
Let's go.
Oh. Sick.
Just whip it.
You got this.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Send it. Yes, let's go. That was good, bro. That was good.
Dude, let's go.
Come on.
You gotta step up. Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah, there you go.
let's go.
He almost ran into us.
Here.